We have made it to El Salvador, the smallest and most densely populated country in Central America.
Up until 2015, El Salvador was a place to not come simply because there was so much gang violence and murders. They've really managed to turn things around though.
So let's explore and see if El Salvador feels safe to us and if it should be on your bucket list. We just parked our car in San Salvador. It's going to be the first place we explore here in El Salvador. First impression seems a little rough around the edges, so it made sense to pay for parking. So now we're going to go check out the Plaza Libertad.
So we're at the main plaza downtown. It used to be like a very, very dangerous place, but now the public's kind of won it back. There's a very big police presence all around, and everybody's just kind of hanging out and chilling. A lot of things going on here. Everyone's just hanging out. A couple food vendors. Not very many, but a couple of random places. I'm assuming it's going to get busier.
There's a guy over there. He looks like he's selling some type of caramel liquid. Do you want to go see what it is?
Sure.
Atolito
Atolito?
de piña.
Oh, uno?
A 2 horas. Y de semilla marañón, atol de pepa.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
A 2 horas. Le voy a dar un poquito para probar.
Gracias.
Él igual.
Hold on.
Gracias.
De piña, marañón.
No, that one's good.
Oh yeah, one's gonna be enough. It's like a sweet dessert. It's pineapple something, pineapple cream.
No,
Oh, it's
I'll
okay.
have some of hers.
Share.
Gracias though.
Gracias.
Looks like a butterscotch pudding,
I know, but it's not.
and it's warm. What was did he say it was?
Pineapple. Like a pineapple cream.
Yeah, like a pineapple gel.
Yeah, it's good though.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's good. It's just
random.
the color is odd. It doesn't look like pineapple.
No.
But it was $1. I think it was less than $1, but he didn't have any change for us.
Yeah, poor guy.
What is
Arroz
like-
y leche.
Lech? And what's in
Arroz,
Arroz y leche.
rice and milk.
okay.
So maybe a rice pudding?
Yeah. It's uno.
Uno no.
Okay.
Uno. Oh, yeah.
Gracias.
So I think we're just gonna do a food tour maybe. We're just walking around finding all these people with the food and buying it. Seems to be the spot for it, eh?
Yeah, and it's very inexpensive.
Yeah.
This is a rice pudding.
Yeah.
for sure with,
those are good usually.
I think a bit of like a cocoa, or it might even be cinnamon. Yeah, cinnamon with rice pudding, and it's warm. It's really good.
Good?
Yeah, really good. It's like really hearty.
I love it. Like these guys, they don't want money. They're just playing in the
Yeah,
square.
the guy has a funky guitar too.
Yeah. There's not a whole lot to do in San Salvador. We are going to go check out the rainbow slide after this, but for now, I think it looks like there's a market over there. It's a tight fit here. I'm surprised. Like this is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be when we came in here.
There's lots of different alleyways.
Yeah. And I'm sure you've noticed there's no tourists. We must be the only ones. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
2 horas.
Dos.
Es uno.
Oh, uno. Oh,
Uno de esos.
gracias.
A usted.
Thank you. I just love people here. Like they could totally scam us, but they're not scamming me. Like I was giving her $2 and she's like, no, it's like 50 cents. Like how amazing is this? Like so far, like I feel good. I feel super safe. Everyone's welcoming. No one's looking at us like, well, they're looking at us because we're the only tourists, but that's about it. Like, I think this maybe has cheese in it, but it's vegetarian. That's all I know. Something to try on our DIY food tour, even though that wasn't meant to be a food tour. Oh, this is good. Plantains.
Oh, nice.
Fried
nice.
plantains.
Zoom in.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Nice. Yeah, I thought it was potatoes.
No. Oh, I'm so glad we got this. You're gonna love it. We have been trying to find this guy for a while now, simply because we were curious to know what he was selling. Oh, it's like a massive piece of cake, I think.
Una de dos.
Those.
I just love how we don't know what we're buying, but we're buying it anyways.
Track down the guy. Oh, it might be cornmeal. Yeah, it's a warm cornmeal, like cake loaf.
Oh, that's so interesting. And it
really
was
good, though.
$2.
$2 for a whole loaf.
Do you
That'll be
need a
good for
whole loaf?
breakfast.
We're at Picnic Steakhouse. This should be pretty interesting. We're looking for the rainbow slide. For the slide,
¿Cuántos tickets?
dos. That's actually not so bad. It's $5 per person for the slide. For some reason, I thought it was going to be $10. It's a colorful place, eh?
Oh, definitely.
This looks big, but no one's screaming, so I may be the only one screaming. They're watering the...
Yeah, there's a guy that goes, he hits you with the hose on the way down.
Yeah. Well, he's also watering it so that I think it slides better. Okay, that will be interesting. Oh my god. Like this? Okay. Yeah, ready. Oh my god! Holy crap!
All right. Oh. How's that, Milan?
My hair's all out of whack. This was like a bit more intense than I thought, eh?
Well, I thought my legs were gonna fall out and hit the wall there, but
Yeah, that was... I don't know. Was that fun? Is it fun?
so there's a chill little place just to come and eat at the top of Picnic Steakhouse here. Just a bunch of umbrellas and seats to sit down and hang out at. Cuatro pupusas. It's like a last-ditch effort to get a dinner.
Yeah.
Gracias.
Looks good though. Pupusas are really famous here in El Salvador. You can find them anywhere. So it's kind of like a pancake with like, sometimes it's bean and cheese. This one looks like green beans and some cheese, and you eat it with like a tomato kind of ketchup sauce. And then there's usually a coleslaw that you put on, and then you eat all of it. And you can find them everywhere. They're like dirt cheap, like usually it's like $1 each, right?
I don't even think it's $1 each.
No, no. And they're good, I like them.
All those pupusas were $2 Everyone seems to have a hard time breaking a $5 bill here when we buy something to eat. That being said, we're going to finish up here in El Salvador. Tomorrow we head to El Tunco, and thanks for watching.